Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. And welcome, Gary.
Good morning. Good to be here.
Good
Thank
to see you. Absolutely. Well, let's pull up today's question.
Okay.
Gary, there's so much legal news going on. What about the Twitter deal? Is that something we will be following? Are there any lessons to learn from it?
Yeah, you know, I was reading a book recently written by a guy who writes Hollywood scripts, and he says, birds gotta fly, fish gotta swim,
Yeah.
and humans got to drama. And this is this it? I mean, you know, I may have quoted that before on another show, but this is drama. So I think we'll all be glued in because it's $44 billion that was pledged by Elon Musk. And we kind of all knew he wasn't going to do it, right? So now he has filed with the SEC saying he is not going to follow through on his agreement. Coincidentally, the stock market fell, the price fell, all these things kind of happened. And now he's created some pretext, or so Twitter executives say. No, you're just making up excuses now. So they're going to court, and this is an amazing thing. They're going to probably be in court this fall in Delaware, where this is all kind of governed by. So the state court in Delaware will hear the case this fall, which is an amazingly quick process.
Right.
And it won't be to a jury. It'll be to some kind of business judge or panel. So I do suspect, though, we will hear a lot about it.
Okay, interesting. So then here's my question is, what happens if Twitter wins?
Right, so that's the real question here. Twitter wins. Now what happens? Can they make Elon Musk liquidate for $44 billion? Can they make him sell stuff to come up with the money? How's he going to come up with the money? The question is specific performance. So bringing it down to mere mortals, our lives. You know, I get calls sometimes saying, well, this guy messed up my house or did this or that.
Right.
And you go, well, how can I make him finish it? Well, you can't. I mean, do you even really want to if he's going to come in and halfway it again? So, no. So specific performance is a difficult legal concept and a difficult thing to enforce. I think we will see it. We don't want that guy. We want to say, look, here are my damages from what you did to me. I'm going to get it fixed by somebody else, and then you're going to owe me for that. And it'll be interesting for us who deal with this stuff, I think, and all of us really, to see what happens. Let's say Twitter wins. Now, where do they track down Elon? California, Texas, wherever. Then they have to have that court or that in that jurisdiction enforce it. I don't know that it can be done. That will be the really tricky part of the lawsuit, getting the money.
Okay, all right, fascinating. Thank you, Gary. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.